we have entered this lichen garden, and lichen basically is a symbiotic relationship between the fungi and the algae, and they have tried to show here through this dinosaur that there existed this lichen long time back, that is lakhs and lakhs of years ago, and the first living species on these mountains. And you can see this rock here, this piece of rock here, and first he's tried to demonstrate through this rock that this lichen first started here, somewhere here. This is the lichen part, and then when the lichen finally gradually moved, I mean when it almost perished, then it made a good living conditions for the moss. This is the moss, and then after the moss when the moss dried up, it created fertile soil on which these small herbs, shrubs and trees gradually evolved. And this is how this evolution on the rocks on the high mountains took place. And they've tried to demonstrate the various kind of lichens here, and I'll take you very close to this lichen. इसका नाम क्या बताया था आपने जो हड्डियों को जोड़ने के लिए यूज होता है?
Asnia longissima.
Asnia
longissima.
Okay.
Asnia longissima.
Ashinia longissima. This is the lichen which is used to heal the bones.
Bone fracture.
Bone fracture clay, and through various, you can see these lichens on every structure here which they have created. A very rustic way of explaining things. You can see this rock here, and everywhere you can see the lichens here on these wooden small logs kind of a thing everywhere. And this is the interpretation center where they have preserved all these endangered and extinct and rare herbs, medicinal plants which would be used. और कौन सा आपने बताया था बहुत महंगा जो होता है प्लांट? केड़ा जड़ी इज फाउंड इन हाई एल्टीट्यूड. कहाँ पर होता है
ये आपका छुपला केदार और मिलम वाले एरिया में मिलेगा आपका, जहाँ पर बर्फ ज्यादा रहती है उस एरिया में आपको केड़ा जड़ी मिलेगा. हाई एल्टीट्यूड एरिया में मिलेगा. और इसकी कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा होती है. कॉस्ट इसकी ग्रेडिंग होती है, जो इसकी वैल्यू मापी गई है वो 18 से 20 लाख पर किलोग्राम मापी गई है.
ओके, सो 18 से 20 लाख
पर किलोग्राम.
ओके, तो यहाँ के गांव वाले जाते हैं?